We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Japanese savory pancake, as well as how to say more interesting Japanese food names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In Japanese, this is normally said as Okonomiyaki, Okonomiyaki. There is no emphasis on any particular syllable in Japanese, but in English this is usually said as Okonomiyaki, Okonomiyaki, from Japanese Okonomiyaki. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from Japanese whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more food names from around the world as well if you're interested. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.